Now you have to understand, firstly, this IPO is an IPO in which there is scarcity premium. There is no other new age unicorn which has come in. People want to get into this. People want to just get into this type of an IPO. First. Second point, very important, that the pre-IPO shares are locked in for a period of 1 year. This means to say that only 15% of the stock is floating. Out of that, even the anchor book is locked in for a period of 1 month. So if you come to think about it, only 12%, 13% stock has been till date, because 1 month has still not been over. Only 12 to 13% stock is there in the market. There is a shortness of supply. This has squeezed up the price of Zomato, and this is very important for you to understand as to how this demand supply game actually works. So you have to understand that once the 1 month gets over, there will be some supply from the anchor book. Then eventually once 1 year gets over, you have to also understand that even Dipinder Goyal can sell his shares. The reason is because he is not a promoter of the company. Zomato has been very clear in its RHP. This company does not have a promoter. It's a professionally managed company. It has written that in the RHP. Once all the shareholding is public, you have to be very clear that anybody can sell the share at any time in the market once the lock-in has been removed. And I really believe so, with whatever optionality, KMP, data, etc., whatever we may be discussing, still Zomato would be available, I believe so, would be available at cheaper than what it is available right now.